Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and this is going to be part 2 of veneer grafting a scion onto a mango tree. The last video I took, I had a shady spot here, so I couldn't really see what I was doing, but I'm going to work on that just to see if I can still clean it up some, because I'm using my cell phone here to record. And in the first part I was using my camera, and of course my battery dies, so I had to go ahead and get the cell phone and bring it out. But you can see what I did was I went ahead and used the grafting tape, which is the clear part here, and went ahead and wrapped it all the way around to include the very top of the scion. And then I came back with some electrical tape just on the bottom part to go ahead and make sure that this had good contact with the tree, because I noticed that once I put pressure up here, it forced the bottom to come out a little bit. So I made sure that it sticks on there good. But now it's all wrapped up really good. It's sealed. So that's going to stay there until I can start seeing buds coming out from these spots right here, either at the top or on the sides. Also, I went ahead and put the rest of the scion that I had left over on that mango tree over there, and I don't know if you can see, and there it is right there, just to see, because that tree there isn't budding like this one is over here to my right. So I went ahead and put the little piece on there. I went down to the wood, or the cadmium, and it was still wet, it was moist, so I said, well, let me try. It's worth a shot. If it takes, it's going to be awesome. If it doesn't take, oh well. I'm going to have to cut the little tree down, maybe down to the point where it's still white and green. But there you go, guys. Let me see if I can zoom back. There it is. Okay, right there. And that's veneer grafting onto an existing tree or rootstock. Thank you for watching always, and please rate, comment, and subscribe for more upcoming videos, and don't forget to click the bell symbol for new notifications for new videos. Thank you, and have a great day.